close this case on 19th of June.
It could be Friday instead of Thursday. That will date.
Thursday की जगह Friday को
Okay.
डिस्पैच होने में दिक्कत नहीं होता इसलिए Thursday कर दीजिए आपको क्या फर्क है नाम है सबका गया का सेम एड्रेस भी है
ठीक है
इन द यूजुअल क्या खाली नोटिस आइए में करना
Yes.
Item 45, second April 63 of 2020.
Yes, lots of last occasion I prayed for the senior counsel. My story will argue, but actually, fact is that this case came from NOC from him, so he cannot have. So I started.
Why did you seek adjournment on that day?
Lots.
Why did you seek adjournment on that day on that ground?
मेरा ignorance था, वो मेरा knowledge के बाहर था वो.
आपकी knowledge के बाहर है आप कुछ भी बोल के adjournment करते हैं क्यों नहीं आप नहीं बोल कर
I apologized. I honestly I placed this matter.
It's not fair, no? किसी काउंसिल के बीमारी के ग्राउंड पर अगर आप टाइम क्या दें
मैं उनकी जूनियर हूँ.
अगर मैं किसी काउंसिल के बीमारी के ग्राउंड पे टाइम न दे तो आप लोग कितना हल्ला करेंगे
हम उनके ऑफिस के ही हैं.
तो क्या होगा
तो मैं वो चीज जानता
आपको
ही
नहीं मालूम है कि आप अपने ऑफिस से ही नो ऑब्जेक्शन लेके फाइल कर रहे हैं
नहीं. हम नहीं, असल में मेरे नॉलेज के अभाव था. कोई मुझसे से दिया वो देखे नहीं है. हम बाद में सर को बोले भी और सर ही बोले कि हम नहीं कर सकते इसलिए.
and you also said that he left the court on account of his ill health कैसे आप इस तरह से सबमिशन करते हैं not acceptable sir such submissions are not acceptable
For this I am very obliged.
कुछ नहीं यहाँ तो कॉस्ट लगता है तो रियलाइज नहीं मैं अपॉलॉजी का सिर्फ कॉस्ट लगता है कुछ नहीं लगता
Matter is the मुंडा और ट्री की मैटर.
तो क्या करें हम
एक एडजर्नमेंट दे दिया जाए
आज भी आपको एडजर्नमेंट चाहिए
क्योंकि किसी सीनियर से कंसल्ट करके इसको
कितना कॉस्ट दीजिएगा कॉस्ट कितना 10,000 से एक पैसा भी कम नहीं होगा
मैं बात करता हूँ.
चलिए बहस करिए हम लोग सुनने के लिए बैठे
Lordship, the substantial question of law, my petitions.
पहले बैकग्राउंड बताइए केस का उसके बाद सब्सटेंशियल क्वेश्चन.
बैकग्राउंड ये है कि they are the Munda community and matter is that out of the Munda community, Jit Munda Pandey have no issueless. So their portion of the land should be, they claim the agnate, some agnates, and this is the matter. The Lordship, whether both learned courts below completely failed to consider that when it is admitted case of the parties that both Jit Munda and Pandey Munda, there are two persons died without leaving behind any male child, and plaintiffs claim to be their close agnates. This is the issue, Lordship.
You are the
But-
plaintiff?
Huh?
You are the plaintiff?
No, I am the appellant. I was the defendant.
You are the defendant.
Yes. The burden of proving the same with agnate evidence always lied upon the plaintiffs, which is they miserably failed. And now another substantial question of law, whether both the learned court below erred in holding the plaintiffs to be agnate of late Jit Munda and Pandya Munda on the basis of the preponderance of the probabilities without ascertaining their relation to Jit Munda and Pandya Munda respectively, as same goes to show the plaintiffs have miserably failed to prove their case. These two issues पे ही decide होगा लॉर्डशिप. अगर केस एडमिट होता है तो हम सीनियर को निश्चित रूप से एंगेज
नहीं
करेंगे.
नहीं हम सुन रहे हैं आपका फाइनली एडमिट होगा तो होगा नहीं तो डिस्कस होगा उसमें क्या करना है. I'm hearing you finally.
My enrollment 2019 lordship, I'm learning my age
You will learn more if I impose cost.
lordship.
You learn more.
That's the reason.
That's it. If you want time, I'll give you time with cost of rupees 10,000. Otherwise, I'll not give you.
लॉर्डशिप जूनियर को देखते हुए कुछ कर दे 5,000 कर दे
It's not a place of bargaining. गलत सबमिशन करके आपने लास्ट डेट में एडजमेंट लिया है, उसका कुछ तो खामी आ जाए आपको बोलना ही पड़ेगा।
लॉर्डशिप में सर को मस्तवारी सर को बुला लेता हूँ
पास आने से क्या होगा?
वो कह देंगे कि आप
उनके कहने से क्या होगा? You will have to argue then.
न वो कर नहीं सकते हम
वो नहीं कर सकते, that's his problem. वो नहीं कर सकते, that's his problem. नहीं हो सकता ऐसे। टाइम चाहिए कि क्या चाहिए आपको? Yes.
लॉर्डशिप में अपनी सब्सटेंशियल क्वेश्चन लॉ
नहीं, आपने तो फैक्ट ही नहीं बताया तो आप क्या सब्सटेंशियल क्वेश्चन लो? ऐसे सेकंड अपनी इस तरह से नहीं आती है।
I have no word.
You have no?
I have no words. I accept my apply.
Second appeal number 63 of 2020. The learned counsel for the appellant is present. He submits that on 22/4/2025, the matter was adjourned by stating that the case has to be argued by Mr. Manish Tiwari advocate, and on account of his ill health, he was unable to argue. However, the counsel today submits that the matter cannot be argued by Mr. Manish Tiwari as he has given no objection. Cannot be argued by Mr. Manish Tiwari as the present counsel has appeared after filing no objection. The learned counsel seeks adjournment. No advance notice seeking adjournment has been circulated in this case. However, in order to give one more chance, the matter is adjourned and is directed to be posted on next Monday by way of last indictment subject to payment of cost of ₹5,000. Advocate Clerk Association was submitted. The receipt regarding deposit of cost will be filed on Friday, during which this appeal has time dismissed without reference to it.
Much of
Item 46, second appeal 254 of 2020.
Talk of compromise between the parties is going on. Seeking adjournment, you know, for the last.
Where is the other side? Where is the other side? Talk of compromise, what compromise are you going to? Are you going to? Yes? What compromise?
Last indulgence maybe.
No. कुछ नहीं, आप लोग को टाइम लेना है। कुछ नहीं समझ। तो अदर साइड अकेले नहीं हो, क्या कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया? कहाँ चल रहा था? घर में?
This is a partition.
So that cannot be accounted for.
Short password. We'll call the counsel for this case, Mr. Raghunath. He is engaged in court number 16 units.
On 18/9/25, similar submission was made, and an adjournment was granted for a week. We are also getting the same. Why should the case remain and be adjourned on this ground?
Let's short password.
Item 47, second appeal 12 of 2021.
It's plaintiff's appellant defense judgment. Suit was filed by the plaintiff appellant for declaration of his title with respect to land of Jamabandi number 21 and for declaration that the defendant is not adopted son of recorded in one of the recorded in Jharkhand.
Harim.
Jharkhand.
Harim.
Plaintiff's case is that Malay Murmu recorded in and the ancestor of the plaintiffs are recorded tenants and Malay Murmu died, leaving behind only son Khare.
No, this particular property is ancestral property.
Yes,
Recorded in the name of
recorded in the name of one is Pandu Murmu, Balia Murmu and Chota Karan Murmu.
Pandu.
Pandu Murmu and Balia Murmu, son of Karan Murmu. They are recorded tenants.
These two are recorded tenants with respect to the suit property.
Yes.
Okay, then
And another recorded tenant was
with respect to the same property.
same Chota Karan Murmu, who died issueless, and his interest devolved upon the other two recorded tenants.
The learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that the suit property involved in this case is ancestral property. It was recorded in the name of Pandu Murmu, Balia Murmu, and Chota Karan Murmu. However, Chota Karan Murmu died issueless, and therefore his interest devolved upon the remaining two recorded tenants. Again.
Balia Murmu's son Khare died issueless.
Balia Murmu, son. The learned counsel submits that son of Balia Murmu, namely Khare Murmu, died issueless.
Therefore, the entire interest devolved upon the heirs of Pandey Murmu.
And consequently, as per the case of the plaintiff, the entire interest devolved upon Pandya Murmu.
And the
And the plaintiffs are the descendants of Pandya Murmu.
Yes. Now,
The learned counsel has also submitted that the plaintiff had sought declaration of the right title and interest with respect to the suit property, and also sought a declaration that the adoption deed, the registered adoption deed dated 16/11/78 / 18/12/1978 allegedly executed by Khare Murmu, adopting
the defendant
adopting the
defendant Munilal Murmu.
sole defendant, namely Munilal Murmu, was null and void.
For the first time in 2005, when camp for correction in record of right was being held, the plaintiff came to know that this defendant Munilal is also claiming to get his name inserted in the record of right. Then in 2005 itself, suit was filed.
The learned counsel submits that the plaintiffs came to know for the first time that the defendant was claiming the property when in the year 2005 one camp was organized for correction in the record of rights. The plaintiffs filed an application for correction of record of rights.
Plaintiffs have also filed application for insertion of their name in the record of right. On the other hand, the defendant also came there saying that, look here, I am the adopted son of Khare, so my name will be also entered in the record of right. Then the cause of action arose and the suit was filed.
The learned counsel submits that both the plaintiffs and the defendant had approached the authority for entry of their name in the record of rights. And then the suit was filed in the year 2000.
Now, the case of the defendant is that he is adopted son of Khare, and there is one document, registered document. Admittedly, both the parties are Santhal.
Admittedly, counsel.